Morning, everyone. Thank you, Plug and Play, for having CircleUp be a part of today. I'm Katie Fitzgerald, Manager of Business Development at CircleUp. So CircleUp is an online investment platform, and what we do through our platform is connect high-growth consumer product and retail companies with accredited investors, so high-net-worth individual angel investors, family offices, and small funds. This is particularly important in the consumer space given the lack of a venture community for consumers. So smaller consumer companies face many challenges and a long timeline to actually raise growth capital to then grow the business. We ourselves are backed by Canaan Partners, Union Square Ventures, and Google Ventures, as well as a number of prominent angel investors. We provide, our mission is to provide these consumer entrepreneurs with access to the capital that they need to grow more efficiently and from relevant investors, as well as provide them with other resources that they need to grow their business. To date, we have helped 50 companies raise $50 million in aggregate, and we've seen over 4,500 companies in total. We provide a lot of value to the companies that we work with, and again, the core of what we do is provide that capital piece for companies that have historically not had access to it. Our average raise is 2 to 3 months versus in the offline world where these companies spend 12 to 18 months raising capital. We also provide access to other resources like our partners, which include General Mills, Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, Virgin America, as well as service providers. We also provide our companies with access to a curated set of advisors in the industry, and often our companies see themselves gathering great press through Wall Street Journal, New York Times, on CNBC, etc. For our partners, we provide access to insights into what's innovative within the consumer market. So as I mentioned, we've seen over 4,500 companies to date. We also collect a lot of data on all these companies. So for every company that we work with, we collect revenue growth, gross margin, valuation expectations, and a number of other metrics. That's very valuable data for our partners. Our partners not only access this data, but can access relationships and hold incubator days or mentorship programs for these companies to foster a go-forward relationship. They also gain access to our team and the curation that we do on the companies that make it onto the platform. So as I mentioned, we've seen over 4,500 companies, but we've only worked with 50 companies having raised $50 million to date. And the reason that it being because we have a heavy curation process and diligence process that we do and that our investors do on our platform. So the companies that come out of CircleUp are the most innovative, they're growing quickly, and the average company after working with us is growing at 80%. They also gain access to great press or customer engagement themselves, or our partners do, by supporting entrepreneurialism in the early stage consumer space. I welcome conversations with any of you. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit our site at CircleUp.com, or feel free to send me an email at kfitzgerald@circleup.com. Again, the letter K, Fitzgerald@circleup.com. Thank you. Thanks, Plug and Play.